All right, today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. All right, before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the Mitsubishi Outlander, this particular model Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. Now my vehicle is currently in park. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is, I go ahead and press the foot brake, okay, and then I come over here to where this is at, and I pull this up. What I like to do is I push in the button right here, and then pull it up till it stops right here, all the way up like that, and then release the button. You see what I just did right there? And if you look up on the instrument panel, there'll be a light that says brake, and that's indicative that the parking brake is engaged. Now, to turn it off, what I'm going to do is come back over here, and you see this lever right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slightly lift up on this. I'm going to press this button with my foot on the brake, and I'm going to slowly release it until it's all the way down and the parking brake is disengaged. And that is how you turn on and off the parking brake in this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Read your owner's manual so you know specifically how to do it in your particular Mitsubishi Outlander. Thanks a lot for watching.